As from today, I have decided to be eating grass. And just in case if you see me tomorrow eating grass, do not think that I have identified as a wild or domestic animal. No. Well, it is because the price of grass to USDT is over the moon right now. And just in case if you are still confused, the grass that I am talking about is not the one at the back of your house. Neither is it the one in your garden. The grass that I'm referring to is a cryptocurrency. And in this video, I will guide you through all the steps that you need to start mining or farming grass. Luckily, anyone can still do this. And if you are still sleeping or if you wish to dwell on this update, you may be missing more than you ever imagined. Now let's begin. Now, straight and direct to the point, this is my grass account. Okay, I am currently mining or farming grass. Okay, you can see the total balance I have right now, 2,655. Okay, look at this today's ending. Look at what I've been doing here. And just in case if you don't know, I'm using this. This is what I'm using. Okay, I am using the desktop miner, which gives me what? 2x, okay, than what you would have gotten on the mobile phone. I am going to go straight and direct to the point. And before I start, I am going to uninstall this. I will log out from my grass here and I will start afresh and show you everything right in this video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do now is what? Let me disconnect. Okay, let me disconnect and show you everything you need to know. Okay, this and then this Waterford one. Let me what? Log out. Okay, let me log out. Yes, I'm logged out right now. So I'm going to start afresh and show you everything in this video. Okay, so I go here and uninstall. Okay, let me uninstall right now. Delete all application data. Completed. And I click on close. Okay, so grass is gone. So we are going to start afresh right now. Before we start, I will need you to realize that this is the second season of grass. Grass airdrop has been mined the first time and people cashed out. And this is the second time. Okay. Now before you start, I will need you to go to what? CoinGecko. Let's go to what? CoinGecko.com. Okay. This is CoinGecko.com. Okay. And then right here, you search for what? Grass. We search for what? Grass. Okay. And you can see, first of all, let me change this theme. Let me change to a dark theme. Let's go back. And you can see the price of grass. Okay. Let me come to max. Click on max right here. Look at the price of grass. It touched almost $4. Almost $4 a few days ago. Look at this. It's 3.something to 1 USDT. You can look at this. So this is just amazing and incredible right now. So now the first thing you are going to do when you want to start mining grass is this. You will need either an Android device and or a laptop. iPhone users, please, you have to consider getting an Android device right now because this works well on Android, okay, and even better on the laptop. Okay, the first thing you are going to do is to go to your Play Store, App Store, and look for Mrs. Browser. This is it. Mrs. Browser, and install it. Okay. Okay, I've just installed it and I click on open. Okay. Now that you are here, look at the link showing on the screen right now. Okay. Just type this link showing on the screen right now on the browser. Okay. It is still this link right here and I'll still leave it in my YouTube video description. Okay. So I come to Mrs. Browser. This is it right here and I paste it. Okay. And then I search. Okay, you can see this. The first thing you're going to do is we'll click on accept all. Okay, and then it's going to ask you what to fill in these details. Okay, these are your details. Agree by the terms, agree to receive updates. Okay, so these are my details right now, and the next thing I'm going to do is what? Check I am not a robot, and then I click on what? Register. Registration successful. You can see that. Okay, it's going to send me an email. Okay, so I'll go to my email to confirm this.
Okay, so this is the email right here, but if you can't find it, you can still come here and check your spam folder, okay? Sometimes it may enter here, okay? So mine is here in the inbox, so I click on it and I click on what confirm email, and it's going to ask me which one should I open it with. Open it with Mrs. Browser. I can see it right here, so I click on Mrs. Okay, and you can see email successfully verified, so I click on what return to dashboard. Right now, once you get your email address verified, please don't waste your time. I will tell you the truth, mining on the phone is a total waste of time. Okay, it's going to take you too long for you to accumulate something tangible. And in this life, you have to realize that your most valuable resource is time. So it is better for you to do anything that you wish to do that can save you time or can buy you time. Okay, so what we are going to do right now is to switch over to the laptop and continue mining from there. I'm not even going to say download the Chrome extension. All those things are just, you end up just wasting your time. But mining on the laptop, even if you don't do it all day, has way more advantage because you earn 2 times faster. So right now on the laptop, I am on the laptop right now, and the same website you visited, you used to sign up, just paste the link right here, and it's going to bring up the same interface it showed you on the phone. But right now, what you're just going to do is to click on login, okay? And then let me log in with the new account I created, okay? So I click on access my account. Okay, right here I've logged in, and I don't need to do this right now. I'll do that later, okay? And you can see this is a fresh account, okay? Nothing is happening here. Nothing has been mined. What do you do? Straight and direct to the point, just come to store right here, and you can see Grass desktop node. It mines 2 times faster, and I click on download, okay? And then it's going to bring me to this place. It's going to ask me, is it for Windows? Is it for Mac? Is it for Linux? Just make sure you select your device, okay? If you're using Mac, if you're using Windows, I'm using a Windows, so it's going to be like this, and then I click on download. And you can see that it just started downloading right here. And it's done, okay? Very easy. Just come here and then just click on it, okay? And then click on yes, okay? You can as well go to where it is located, where you downloaded it to, and then double click on it, okay? So just install it. Next, agree. Next. Okay, installation completed. I click on next again, and I click on finish. Okay, and you can see it popping up right here. It's just going to ask you to log in. Now, just before you log in, come to where it is right here, right? Click on it and pin it to taskbar. Okay, pin it to taskbar so it will remain here. This place is called your taskbar, so you can easily access it. Okay, so I'm going to log in once again right now, and then I click on access my account. And it's going to ask you enable auto start. Yes, if it's like this, please enable it. Enable auto updates. Yes, okay, that is it. You can see right away that grass is connected. Now, if you come here, if you refresh, you can see that magic is happening already. You can see it. Don't waste your time on the phone. It will tell you get 300 device, 400. All those phone, this thing is just, don't waste your time. If you have a laptop. In fact, I will still explain to you how what the concept of this whole grass thing. You can see that it's mining 1.2. Look at how fast it's generating. Look at how fast it's generating. Okay, right now let's go to the desktop and let us refresh. Okay, you can refresh right away, and you can see that is you can see it. So they are the same. They will be moving most times at the same. They will be moving at the same time. Okay, they will be moving at the same time. If they are not moving at the same time, it may just be network glitch. You can see 2.29. You can see it. They will be moving. Okay, so that is it. It's very fast, but I'm better here. Right here is your referral link. Now let me just show you quickly how this grass works. What is the concept of this grass? Okay, come to this place, and you click on frequently asked questions. Okay, and they'll ask you what is grass. Now just go through this thing, okay? I think basically in summary, instead of me reading up, because I've read all these things, they basically make use of the network that you've not been using. Your idle networks, instead of it expiring, they'll just put it in use. Just like when you connect your computer to the internet and you are doing something else on your laptop. Instead of not earning anything, this is what grass does. On the background, it will just be running and then giving you these tokens. Okay. Now, another secret you need to know that some people may not tell you is that it is not about the devices. If you like, mine with 10 to 20 Android phones. If all of them are connected to one internet source, you are wasting your time. All of them are just going to be, it's just as if you are mining with one device and they will share the resources in 10 places. So what they're actually checking is different internet connections on the different mobile devices or the different laptops. If you have one hotspot and you connect 10 Android phones to it and you're mining grass, it is not going to count like 10 devices. It's going to count like one, because what they are looking at is the internet connection, the different internet connection. Now let me show you where they said that. Now if you come to the frequently asked questions again and you come to, are there any restrictions or limitations on using grass? You click on it. Okay, you'll see you must be 18 years or older to use grass. Now number 2 says if 2 or more accounts are on the same Wi-Fi network, rewards will be split between the accounts. Grass cannot be used while VPN is on. Okay, if 2 or more accounts are on the same Wi-Fi network, rewards will be split between the 2 accounts. Okay, so they are all about what? Using different IP addresses, different networks. Okay, so if you are using 3 Android devices, just make sure they are all on their own networks. Don't share their Wi-Fi. So each one, even though you are logged into the same account, will also be mining fast. Okay, will also be mining and earning you something fast. Okay, now you may want to ask, how do I withdraw? If you need me to do that, I don't want to make this video too long, comment and tell me, show us how to withdraw or claim the grass token. Tell me in the comments that you want to do that. I'm going to show you in my next video. I'm going to make the video on how to connect your Solana wallet, how to claim grass, and all that.
Thank you so much for watching till this point. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I really appreciate you. I made the list of my top 20 airdrops that I currently farm, and I will leave the list in my YouTube video description and also in the pinned comments of this video here on YouTube. So do well to check them out. Kindly like, share, and comment your thoughts on this video, and do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you once again for watching. Stay tuned, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.